What's going on, guys? It's your boy Giovanni, and I just got here to the Tune in Tokyo headquarters. I just want to let you guys know that the long-awaited back to school sale is finally here. And also, we got a new Street Legends box that we just released, so make sure you guys check that out. I'm gonna switch it over to Frankie. He's gonna let you guys know exactly what comes in the box.
Hey, what's up? It's Frankie over here at Tuned in Tokyo. We just released our latest version of the back to school mystery box. This is our largest sell to date, and we're giving you tons of products for such a low price. This mystery box comes with 8 new shirts exclusively made for this deal. I'm gonna go through a couple of them right now. So we have our Fresh Donut shirt. This one's pretty cool. Then we have our Boost Trooper version 2 shirt. And I'll show you guys one more. Our Deep Dish t-shirt. This one's actually really funny. So you guys get 8 shirts exclusively made for this box. You're not gonna find these on our website. It comes with our new Street Legends backpack. It says Street and Legends on the harnesses. If you turn it around, it has a little Tuned in Tokyo jet tag on it. So this is really cool. And this backpack actually comes in 4 different color options. It comes with our Bride wallet. Check it out. Really cool. And here's our new Street Legends dad hat, which is fully adjustable, one size fits all. So you can find this in the box as well. It comes with a mystery lanyard. This could or could not be the one that you're going to be getting. But just know that all of our lanyards are mystery and are fan favorites. You could also find one of these jet tags in the box. And you know we had to throw in our famous turbo keychain. This actually whistles if you blow into it. It's really cool. Everybody loves these. You can find this in the box as well. And last but not least, we got our Tuned in Tokyo die cut sticker. That's also going to be included in the box. So you guys get all of this, 15 plus items for $100. This deal will not last forever, so I highly suggest that if you're a car enthusiast, you go and get yourself a back to school mystery box. We just released our new Street Legends premium box. This is the best bundle deal we've had so far with all of our premium gear because of the amount of products you guys get for such a low price. This mystery box comes with 5 new Street Legends shirts exclusively made for this deal. I'm gonna go through a few right now. So first off, we have our Koi shirt. Then we have our Samurai Legend shirt. This is the back of it. Now this is the front. Then I'll show you guys one more. Culture shirt. So those are 3 out of the 5 that you're going to get in this box. It comes with 2 long sleeve t-shirts. I'll go through one right here. They all have a dope print on it too. Really cool. And our fan favorite, our wavy long sleeve. It also includes our new Rising Tiger hoodie. So you can find this in the box as well. And check out our new Street Legends backpack that says Street Legends on the harnesses. You turn it around, you get a little Tuned in Tokyo jet tag. And you can get this backpack in 4 different color options in this mystery box. It comes with our carbon fiber wallet. Now this wallet is custom made and it also has a red finish inside. This is probably one of my favorite items. Also included is our Legends dad hat. This one is fully adjustable, one size fits all. These lanyards actually just came in. These are our new Street Legends lanyards made for this box. Next to the lanyards, we have our new Street Legends jet tags. These are going to be in the box as well. And last but not least is our turbo whistle keychain. So you can actually blow into these and it makes a turbo spool whistle sound. And a little bonus, you get a Street Legends premium die cut sticker. So you get all of this, 14 plus items for only $150. If you're a car enthusiast, this is definitely a steal and I highly suggest you guys go get a Street Legends premium box.
Everything I drop, play.